Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this afternoon's update on Hurricane Gabrielle. So, Hurricane Gabrielle remains a Category 2 hurricane as of 4 p.m. Central Time with 100-mile-per-hour winds, 120-mile-per-hour gusts. Is moving to the east at 28 miles per hour and has a minimum central pressure of 970 millibars. And taking a look at the latest cone, as we go into 1 a.m. tonight, Gabrielle is expected to weaken down to a 90-mile-per-hour hurricane with 115-mile-per-hour gusts as we go into tomorrow 1 p.m. Central Time. 90-mile-per-hour winds, 115-mile-per-hour gusts moving to the east. And Hurricane Gabrielle is expected to impact the Azores Islands as we go into tomorrow night, looking at an 85-mile-per-hour Cat 1 hurricane with 105-mile-per-hour gusts as Hurricane Gabrielle moves over the Azores Islands as we go into 1 a.m. on Friday morning. Going into 1 p.m. Friday afternoon, 80-mile-per-hour winds, 105-mile-per-hour gusts moving to the east. As we go into 1 a.m. Saturday morning, a 70-mile-per-hour tropical storm with 85-mile-per-hour gusts moving to the east. Then we go into 1 p.m. Saturday afternoon, 100-mile-per-hour winds, or 50-mile-per-hour winds, 65-mile-per-hour gusts curving to the southeast. And Gabrielle is expected to make landfall in Portugal around Lisbon as we go into sometime early Sunday morning, which is going to be very unusual to have a landfalling tropical storm in areas of southwestern Portugal. Going into a 1 p.m. Sunday afternoon, 35-mile-per-hour tropical depression with 45-mile-per-hour gusts. And then as we go into 1 p.m. Monday afternoon, 30-mile-per-hour winds, 40-mile-per-hour gusts as the remnants of tropical depression Gabrielle could move into southwestern Spain and eventually into northwestern Morocco. So this is quite unusual for a tropical system to move into areas of Portugal, Spain, and northwestern Morocco. Taking a look at the latest watches and warnings, we actually have hurricane warnings for the Azores Islands in the red shade areas. Looking at the latest model guidance for Hurricane Gabrielle, pretty much all the models are moving Gabrielle into Portugal, Spain, and towards northwestern Morocco in about 96 hours or so. And looking at the intensity model guidance map, thankfully Hurricane Gabrielle will weaken down to a tropical depression or a weak tropical storm as she makes landfall in southwestern Portugal in about 4 days or so. So make sure you are preparing now for a landfalling weak tropical storm if you live in Portugal in about 4 days.